have a problem. I have a lot of moons and nowhere to put them. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. I'm hoping to get this up by Thursday, but this may be a Friday post, depending on how difficult this is. So yes, I have a ton, as you can see, of hair moons. So far I've counted like 20, and I may even have more hiding somewhere that I just can't recall right now. And I wanted to create something to keep these in so that they are easily available and right there for me to see, so I don't have to go hunting them down every time I want to wear one. And I thought about the ribbon holders or bow holders that a lot of cheerleaders use and dance people use. So I figured I could make myself some. So I've got this beautiful spider web. I've got this gorgeous black damask. I think it's so pretty. And then I've also pulled out some glitter ribbon. I got 12 feet of that. And then I've got just this plain white. I wanted a thicker ribbon. This is the thickest that I have that doesn't have a bunch of sequins or something on it. So my plan is to take these two big black ones. Actually, two of the same size black ones. I know I have another one here somewhere. That's not the same size either. And anyway, and I'm going to use the ribbon around it, right? And then down the ribbon, I'm going to hot glue them together with spaces for the moons to slide in and out of. So that's the plan. Like I said, I'm going to make two, hopefully with enough room for all of these. We'll see. So this is 9 feet, I believe, is how much is on this roll. Yeah, 9 feet. So I'm going to start with this one, and then we will move on to the second one. I really hope I'm not messing up my microphone right now by catching it with the moon. So yeah, that's the plan. Hopefully I get this done tonight. It might end up coming out Friday. So if you see this Friday, because I needed more time. So I'm going to clear all of this off. I'm going to get my hot glue gun started and heating up. And then we will go from there. It's going to be a quick and easy one today, friends. Okay? Alright. Oh, also, there will be a bonus unmolding at the end, so stay tuned for that. Okay? Alright. Let's get started.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. These are from... Are they from Tuesday's video? No. Yes. Yes. I had mixed in the black glitter for the moons, and I had some left over, so I just put them in this. All right. So they're very pretty. I think that's it. 4. Yeah, the 4 sizes. These are the holographic glitter. I don't have my phone down here to show you that it's holographic. But yeah, that is today's very cute, I guess, bonus unmolding. Alright friends, so these are done. It had occurred to me originally that I could technically move these over to 1 if I wanted to. But I was very worried about these clashing if I put more than 1 in there on a single. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So we'll just keep 1 on, and hopefully they stay put. We'll see. I may have to do some alterations. Will this work? Maybe when it's up against a wall. Oh Lord. Yeah, maybe when it's solid up against a wall, they'll hold in there easier. Or maybe if I put them upside down, they'll hold in easier. Let's see if that makes any kind of difference, just holding it. Yeah, that does. Okay. So it does hold up better. Let me try and turn it around again, just to double check. Yeah, I mean, it does stay, but it does get wibbly wobbly. So I think I'll put them in upside down. But I'm pretty sure that once this is up against the wall, that it'll work better. So got quite a few loops here on both of these. So I'm very happy with that. I think it turned out great. And I did bookend or ribbon end both of these, as you saw. I don't mind that this extra little tail hangs down. I think it's kind of cute. Okay, so to attach these to the wall, I do have a picture hanging kit, but I think what I'm going to do instead, because I don't really have everything that I would want for the picture hanging kit, which is weird because I'm pretty sure that I had another one. Let me just double check again to see if I have any others, or any other picture kits. I'm pretty sure that I bought another kit recently. Let me check. Okay, yeah. So this is my old one. This is the new one. I knew I had purchased a new one a long time ago. Okay. The only problem is that the little nails to attach this with are going to be too long. They'll poke out the other side. So I'm thinking that I'll just use some UV resin to secure these. The weight isn't going to be too bad, I don't think, for it to attach. But the first thing that I want to do is I want to score the resin just to make sure that it's got something to grip on. Sorry if you can hear that and it's annoying. Okay. So then we will lay down tiny little drop of UV resin, trying not to get onto the ribbon. Okay. And we'll put our little sawtooth on there. I want just a little bit more on this side. Okay. And this side that I can't see because my finger's in the way. Okay. I'm going to temp hold it with this. And then once both of these are temp held, I'm going to bring over my Let's Resin lamp. And so the next shots you guys see will be of them hanging up on my wall. So that is today's video. Again, sorry it's kind of different and not totally resin related, but I hope you guys can forgive me for that. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out.